In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Artlist subscription step by step. Canceling your subscription will stop future payments, but you'll still have access to your plan until the end of your current billing period. First, go to artlist.io and log in to your Artlist account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select My Account. Inside your account dashboard, navigate to the Plan and Billings section to manage your subscription and payments. Scroll down to the Payment section. Click on the three dots next to your active payment and select Subscription Info. In the subscription details, click the Cancel Renewal button. Follow the on-screen instructions, provide feedback if requested, and confirm the cancellation. After canceling, your Artlist plan will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle, and you won't be charged again.